So you want to repost your YouTube video on TikTok or Instagram Reel or even in Facebook story, Facebook story, which I don't know if that's a thing, but I want to help you do that. This is how your video looks like on a vertical resolution timeline. And if you don't know how to create a vertical timeline, it's actually very easy. Just go to File, New, and then Project, or Command N, then under Video, choose the format Vertical. And as resolution, I recommend at least 1080 by 1920. Like I said earlier, this is how it's going to look like when you import your video on the timeline. And the obvious step would be to resize this video by going to this Scale All slider in the video inspector right here. For a 1080 by 920 resolution, you will need to scale up to 317%. But there is actually an easier way to do the very same thing. Yeah, we're even going to save the best for last, so stay with me. Down here in your video inspector under Spatial Conform, the type right now is Fit, and it's by default on Fit, but if you choose Fill, check this out. Final Cut Pro will resize your video or your selected videos for you. Now look at the scale slider. It hasn't even moved. You see, everything was moved or scaled automatically. So now if you want to move the video to the right or to the left, you can click and drag on the X position right here. X position. The position, the X on the X. Yes. I think this next method is even better, but you guys can let me know in the comment section which one of these you'll like the most. You can select all the clips you would like to conform to the resolution and go to Modify and then go to Smart Conform. When you click on this, Final Cut Pro will analyze your clip or clips and then choose which part of the footage to put in the frame. Look at this. Let's click on Transform under the Viewer tab again and you will see it didn't just scale the video up from the center, or what they call a center crop. So it didn't just crop the video from the center. It actually identified a subject in the video and moved the video for you to where it thinks it should be. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's a good start, and you can always make adjustments if you need to. Now, if you have an entire project that you want to convert into a vertical video, you can just right-click on the project like this and click on Duplicate As, and from here you can choose the format Vertical, and very important, this next one, don't forget to check this box right here to use Smart Conform, and it will create the project for you. Look at that. All you have to do is to make some slight position adjustments if you need to, and that's it. If you guys got any value from this video, subscribe and go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.